What is up, you guys? It's Joelle and welcome back to another video traveling with TechTheLead. This weekend we are camping in Santa Barbara. It's around 7 a.m. Patrick and I just drove out here. We are starting off the weekend strong. We're going paragliding. There rolls in Mike and Buchanan. Look who made it! Yeah, look at these dogs. Look at how cute. Its eyes are crazy. Okay, for those of you guys who haven't been following along on this journey, TechTheLead is a tech blog that has invited me to come out with them on a few different excursions this summer to test out some of the best tech of 2018. You know, so we've been doing a lot of really awesome experiential stuff. We're just sort of seeing, you know, how can the average user, such as myself, use some of the more innovative products coming out to just improve quality of life, you know? So we're gonna see how all of this goes. Buchanan getting suited up. First flyer. Exciting. Ooh, this is a prime lighting situation. Wow. So pretty. Buchanan, how you feeling?
Nervous.
Nervous?
Yeah, it's pretty early though, so.
It is pretty early.
Kind of like it does. We need an intro.
Oh snap! There they are. Mike whips out the drone to capture some of this sweet paragliding footage, hopefully. Grabbing some breakfast post paragliding at this cute little cafe. What did you guys think of the whole paragliding experience? Good, but the food's even better. So fun, but so hungry. Up, you guys. So we made it to our campsite. We're staying at Los Prietos campsite. Wow, my lens is dirty. I'm so sorry about that. It's really sweet. It's like a pretty packed campsite. I'm surprised there's a ton of people here. A lot of families, but this is the massive tent that we got hooked up for us. Give you guys, you know, a little tent tour. Not that there's much going on in here besides what will be sleeping bags, but yo, like you could stand. I can stand all the way up. Very nice, very nice. Are these the fun little lantern things?
Yeah. These are. I was just saying, these are actually really cool.
How do they work?
Last night when we set them up, we were like, oh, these are actually a lot cooler than we thought. Yeah. But they collapse down, they're super small, but you open it up and then you blow up the bottom and it kind of inflates. But it's solar panels, so you can like kind of just leave it out during the day.
It charges it and then...
it charges it, and it's pretty bright. Like they were cool little glowing lanterns.
Ooh. How many of them do we have? Two? Okay. Very nice. Very nice.
I'm not just saying that because we're supposed to be reviewing it, but they actually were really cool. Like I honestly probably would buy these if I went camping.
Yeah? Oh. Mike Dewey approved.
It's a really lovely day here.
It is.
It's tent set up.
It's not too hot. Thank God. I was worried about that.
This tent is actually really cool. Wait, can we
Lay down there,
about
man.
this?
That's pretty comfortable.
Yeah.
Can we speak about it? Dude, we slept in it last night while you were in your bed.
I know, I was on a couch.
Caught on camera, exposed.
Okay. The biggest game changer about this tent, again, not an ad, wink wink, we seriously thought we were going to open it up and there's going to be 8,000 poles. These are actually all connected and you literally just
straight out of the box.
That's insane.
And it collapses down into a little...
Does it collapse into essentially like a bar?
That's it.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Like, probably maybe 60 seconds max to set.
So Patrick suggested we listen to... We're listening to the Kids Bop version of Closer. The lyric changes are so funny. entered and drove towards the beach. I believe we're close to Venice Beach right now. We're gonna explore a little bit. There's a bit of a town here, which is a lot of fun. And I'm super excited. This is a really adorable area. I've never explored around here before. A lot of little shops. We're probably gonna snag some ice cream because it is hot out here. But yeah, I'm just excited to be here, close to the water. Feel that ocean breeze. Feels great. You have that salt and straw. Oh yeah. I get that food shot. Nice natural lighting. I got the chocolate. What was it? It was a chocolate date flavor and then a vegan red velvet beet flavor. Both specials of the month. Oh yeah. It's got chocolate, the brownie, and then what did you get? Oh, that one looked really good. Okay, we're running around Abbot Kinney with the Zenfone. Again, taking some photos, grabbing some selfies. There's a lot of very Instagrammable walls here. They're really just marketing that. They're like, take a photo by our wall, do free advertising for us. So we're doing just that. Taking some selfies. Woo! Asus Zenfone Q5. It's okay, it happens.
You're a mess, man.
Oh yeah, get the high angle. Mike getting them stills. We're good. We're good. We ventured out to the beach. Here we are. We've got this BioLite smokeless grill. It's supposed to suck in all the smoke so that we can cook up some foods and not be smoky. On the bright side, it is beautiful out. On the downside, it is so windy, making this real hard on us. This is our little grill. We got a little fire going. Look at that. You may be wondering where we are. Don't ask. Oh yes.
Buchanan's supposed to scarf these dogs down. And now they say a final line about ramps. We got some hot dogs and we're good to go.
So we just cooked some hot dogs on the BioLite and they look delicious. So I'm ready to dive on it.
Woo!
Is it? This place?
Soju.
Yeah,
Cheers. Cheers.
Oh my god, that's so good.
Right? It's like fruity. Yeah. About to have a feast. I'm so hungry.
I'm so hungry.
You guys want it? Yeah. So ready. So as I am editing this vlog, I just want to close out and say thank you so much to TechTheLead for taking us on this really fun, adventurous trip. It's a little shorter than the Napa one, but I hope you guys enjoyed just seeing my adventures with Mike, Buchanan, and Patrick around Southern California, Santa Barbara, LA area. It was such a fun time being able to test out these different products and just see how they work, see how they function. Would the average user enjoy using them in a camping setting, or how would they be useful? Be sure to stay tuned for further content about TechTheLead on my channel, and TechTheLead's release of their Extraordinary Tech 2018 series will be linked down below so you can read that for yourself, see a little more of the content that Mike made. He makes beautiful videos and you can read a little bit more about the products that we were using and our thoughts on them and experiences with them. I hope you stay tuned and enjoy. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you liked it, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Join the J team where no one's a bench warmer, everyone's a playmaker. And I love you guys. Jesus loves you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.